In today's video, I am going to show you how you can download the older version of any application on your iPhone. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So in order to download the older version of any application on the iPhone, what you need to do is to open your App Store. Now click on the search icon and in the search bar type the name of that application of which you want to download the older version. For example, I want to download the older version of WhatsApp, so I'll type WhatsApp, click on search. Now click on this WhatsApp's logo, then scroll down and click on this report a problem option. Now click on this drop down and select the last option, click on next. Okay, now in this box you need to briefly state the issue that you are facing. You have to write down that this version of WhatsApp is not working properly on your iPhone and therefore you need to download the older version of WhatsApp. Once you have done that, tap on submit, and after you click on submit, you will be allowed to download the older version of the application on your iPhone. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.